sad.
Yeah, it is.
The other way around. Excuse me, does this stand for?
Huh?
What is it?
Could you take your hand off of it?
Sure. But can you explain what does it stand for?
It's a Palestinian flag, as if you didn't know.
Palestinian? In what? Here?
You're part of the genocide,
No. I'm part of reality.
and you don't know what that flag is.
No, it's not belong to reality.
Don't argue with the guy.
I'm not arguing.
Yeah, yeah.
Not arguing.
Yeah, you
No,
are.
you're trying to make a joke.
Yes.
Trying to make
Well,
a
it's
joke.
not
Because
cool.
this is a joke.
It's not cool. People are dying.
Right.
These
People-
children
This
are
is
dying.
true.
I'm not Palestinian. I'm not
My
Israeli.
family
I'm
also
not
died.
Jewish.
Right.
So what the fuck are you doing? You joking about this shit? What the fuck's going on, man? We're doing the same shit in
This
Iran.
is propaganda.
We're doing the same bullshit. This is
yes.
going on. You're
No.
doing propaganda.
You're
you
doing
bought
propaganda.
the propaganda.
You're
These
doing
people are
propaganda.
dying. We're killing people too.
No, you already know. Palestinian.
Palestinian.
Yeah, it's
Where?
a joke to you, man.
Where?
Get the fuck out of here.
Get the fuck out
No,
of
you get
here.
the fuck. I'm American. Get the fuck out of here.
American.
Yeah, I'm American, bitch.
Yeah. I'm American too, bitch.
Oh, you are?
Yes, I am.
Well, you weren't born here.
Oh, so?
So,
Oh, so
go
who's the
fuck
racist
yourself.
now?
Go fuck yourself.
Who's the
Go
racist
fuck
now?
yourself. Go fuck yourself.
It
I gotta have
seems like you
something
get
on you
fucked.
because you think you're Jewish. You're better than me. That's
No,
why.
of course not.
Every Jew thinks they're
No.
better than us Goyas,
No.
right? I dated
This
Jewish
is your
girls.
assumption
I had
to
break up with
justify
them because
the
your
hatred.
parents. Get out of here. You like fucking children fucking dying. You don't get them kicking the fucking ass.
No, I do not. No, I do not. No, I do not.
What?
You are the problem.
Oh, the country's the problem. No, but not the problem. And it's a joke to you.
Slightly better. Slightly better than fucking you. Look at you, you're an idiot.
Make sure you're okay.
Hey, I'm good.
I'll have to make sure I tune in this week.
Yeah, I got a lot of editing to do this week.
They wouldn't kill you, would they?
If they caught me in an alley alone,
Did you get his ad?
Keep it together. I can't.
I'm glad you took them on.
That's just bullshit that was going on. We're doing the same thing in Iran. We're
Exactly.
killing little school children. Bullshit. Well, listen, I'm sorry about that. You know, it's like, and it's okay. You can publish whatever. I don't care if you have a video. Send it out.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
I support it. I mean,
I
how
guess
can
I
you
would
look
have
in
to
these pictures and see those things?
I guess I'm gonna have to learn how to make those little black bars to go over his head.
Oh, you don't have to. You don't have to black me out.
No, I'm talking where he showed his ass.
Oh, well, you know, I tell you, look, I don't have anything necessarily against Jewish people, but they do think they're superior.
Right, yeah.
I mean, I dated Jewish girls in New York City, right?
My first,
and I always
my
had to,
first wife was Jewish.
right, and I always had to break up with them. Why? Because the mother find out I'm not Jewish, I'm a Goya, right? That's the word. And you know, I was just like, okay, so that means I'm not good enough for your daughter. Okay. You know, it's happened more than once.
Yeah, we had that problem with Donna's parents, but
Is that right?
we got over it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, it's just not cool. You know, I'm sorry.
Breaking up was my fault. It's probably my mistake.
I mean, I just, it's literally reading the picture, reading the caption under the little paper holding over it, and how much 40 will die in the competition. And only the moment started. You can tell.
Yeah. As soon as they start asking what flag is it? Now, some people don't know.
Which one? Which flag was referring to? The Palestinian?
What flag is that? I know.
Oh, he's saying he doesn't recognize it or
Right,
something?
yeah, he's going to deny it.
No, I mean, it's just, look, and here's the thing, like,
Yeah, I
there
started
was a,
opposing this stuff in the Vietnam War.
say again?
This is a film I made.
Oh, I'm gonna look it up.
Yeah,
American.
yeah.
I'm a filmmaker myself.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I got Martin Sheen, the narrator. Who else you going to get the narrator documentary about the Vietnam War?
Look at this. This is insane.
I know, right, exactly.
And here's the thing. It was leading in our papers. How just like yesterday, whatever, or day before, they're hunting for the remains of some soldier from 45 years ago, and so they killed 15 people in like Lebanon. Like, I'm serious. How do you bomb a couple of buildings where people live, residential buildings, to find your 44-year-old dead corpse in the ground? I'm missing that. In other words, it's so ridiculous.
I know.
It's like you shouldn't even say it, because then you just look like, okay, you just like to kill people for the sake of killing people.
Any excuse, right? Yeah.
And I think that's the way the Israelis see Palestinians, as subhuman. They're not like
They
10
do,
Palestinian for you you kidnapped 1,000 of our people, then we get to kill 10,000 of yours. In this case, 40,000 plus. It's
Right,
like,
yeah.
and it's like disgusting. You know what I mean? And I'm sorry. I mean, I'm not an activist or anything else, but I'll tell you, I just can't take this. This gaslighting. Trump's doing it. Everyone's doing it. Well, not everybody, but whoever does it, I don't like. Anyways, well, listen,
All right,
I'll let
yeah,
you get on
thanks.
your way.
I live in Venice.
I'm
and
sorry, I just couldn't help it. Yeah.
I'm glad you ran that guy off.
Yeah. Oh, good. Thank you.
Yeah,
I
really,
appreciate
no,
that.
I
I
appreciate
didn't
that.
want to ruin your business or
No,
upset anybody.
that was great.
Yeah, I just couldn't take that. Yeah. Anyway,
Yeah.
take care, brother.
All right, you
I'll
too.
see you around.
What's your name?
I live in the area. Mark.
Mark,
Yeah,
okay,
I'm a local too.
Yeah.
What's your name? Sorry.
Clay. I live on Pacific and Rose. So,
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
just got tired of watching the stuff, on TV all the time. And back in July, I started doing this. I said,
Good for you.
I'm right here at Venice Beach, Rather than go to the march, why don't I just let the march come to me?
Yeah, no, I mean, good for
Yeah.
you. And with what we're doing in Iran, I mean, it has reference to us Americans, because we're now doing the exact same thing.
Same thing. Right,
We're
yeah.
actually joining the Israelis in this genocide now of Iran.
Right,
And that's just this guy. And Trump was saying something to the effect of, we're gonna kill and maim and whatever. And it's just
Right,
why? To what end? That doesn't change government. It just kills people. Do you know what I
As
mean?
far as I can tell, there's no joint command. It's like Israel is doing what they want to do, and we're responding. I never heard of the U.S. going into a war situation without a joint command, especially a joint command that was led by an American.
No.
If you're going to have a side in a war, I'm just talking military tactics, right? You want to have one commander. Every country is participating, just like in World War II. Eisenhower was the supreme commander of all the Allied forces. As far as I can tell, the U.S. has its command for its war, and then Israel has its own command and does whatever it wants to, and then the U.S. has to react to it.
It's just crazy.
Which is crazy,
And by the way, I saw this. I mean, in our country, we have people called MAGAs, right?
Right.
And they're not reasonable either. They're like this guy here. They'll moon you because they're brainwashed.
I know. Oh, I had a woman come up to me yesterday and say, when I opposed this war, talking about the war against Iran, I'm opposing the will of God. That's where these
really?
people are.
So God says, kill people? Where does that say that?
I know, right, yeah.
Well, I would say if you're going to spite anyone, it would be us, unfortunately, because we're
yeah.
we're the bad guys these days.
Right, yeah.
Anyways, brother, I'll catch you
All right.
around.
Thank you.
And what's
yeah.
your first name again? I'm sorry.
Clay.
What is it?
Clay.
Oh,
C-L-A-Y,
Clay,
yeah.
Mark. Right. All right,
okay.
take care, Clay.
All right, thanks, Mark.